Hello and welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm making a bitter Giuseppe. This was on one of the early menus at Violet Hour in Chicago, first created by Stephen Cole. It's not a 3 ingredient cocktail, almost a 3 ingredient cocktail. It's a 4 ingredient cocktail if you're including the bitters. Stir down, interesting because it's got a little bit of lemon juice in it. And yet it's still stirred down, it's not shaken. It includes Cynar, so bitter artichoke liqueur, and Carpano Antica sweet vermouth. So pretty straightforward, this one. It calls for 60 ml, 2 ounces of Cynar. And then we've got 30 ml, 1 ounce of Carpano Antica sweet vermouth. If you don't have this particular brand, feel free to use your preferred sweet vermouth. And then we've got 6 dashes of orange bitters. Was that 6? I think that was 6. I lost count at 3. Yes, Kat?
Lemon juice.
Yes, I was getting there. And 7.5 mils of lemon juice. Freakishly large lemons. Can't even fit in my citrus press. So 1/4 ounce, 7.5 mil. And fill your mixing glass with ice and give it a stir. I'm probably only going to stir this for like 20 or 30 seconds because they are low ABV ingredients. I don't want to add too much dilution. Swaths. I'm adding a giant swath of lemon into my glass. Filling the glass with ice. A giant clear cube would actually do this drink a lot of justice. Well, it does every drink a lot of justice, but I like to keep it simple. I've got a big ice machine that produces these large cubes, so strain over top. And they have the bitter Giuseppe. Cheers. Looks like cola. I don't know if it's because it looks like it, but it kind of has that sweet cola smell to it, probably from the Cynar. It's like complex botanicals with this dry bitterness, but then you've got this like little zest of that fresh lemon and kind of perks it all up. I'm unsure about this one. I'm unsure. I'd be interested to hear your feedback in the comments below if you try this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.